I feel really fortunate that I found Trio. Everything is brand new, and so it can be kind of intimidating. So it was nice coming here and finding a program that is specifically for me.
I'm on the go all the time. All day long it was school, 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 and then, kids to feed, grocery shopping, all the things. And I was hesitant to actually join at first, and I just saw the benefits and I was like, okay, let's do this.
Trio provides support for teachers that does not exist anywhere else.
TRIO is a federally funded program by the U.S. Department of Education, whose goal it is to holistically support our students and get them to graduation.
TRIO is an amazing program that supports low-income, first-generation college students or students that have a diagnosed disability.
As a first-generation student, I was very scared to ask questions. I think TRIO was definitely a program that helped me just gain confidence, know where to go, who to ask, what to do.
So this past week was actually really hard for my homework, and I just wanted to know if you had any tips or anything that I could use.
So it looks like we're pretty busy every 2 weeks, and then exams, it's our Spanish proficiency exam that we have coming up.
You can also come into our offices anytime. You don't need to make an appointment. So whatever it is that you may be struggling in, whether it's academic, financial.
I know that Fatima and Heather have an open door policy that I use all the time. So whenever I have anything on my mind or just need help with something, I know I can count on them to just talk about it and get their opinion or get guidance on.
Pathways to Teaching is a rapid course to start to finish. It's 17 months.
TRIO can actually come out to our Pathways teacher candidates.
I will go to their classrooms at their school sites and provide support for them while they are working, while they are teaching, and do anything I can to support them in the classroom.
So they meet our students wherever they are and whatever their needs may be.
If you're looking for something, they're able to support you in that. If you need a minute, they're able to support you in that. If you need them to come to you, they can do that. And to have their support kind of takes a little bit of that weight off your shoulders.
I know that for me, I really need TRIO to assist me with a lot of things that are on my plate. Anything from financial aid trouble or just lesson planning or different ideas that I need for classes, and it's a lot to handle just on your own. So I think it's really helpful to have TRIO by your side.